Hey everyone, welcome to the Daily Unveil, and today, we're unleashing the beasts. Get ready for my top 10 strongest dog breeds in the world. We're talking about breeds built for brute strength, incredible bite force, and immense pulling power. These are the canine titans. Let's count them down, starting with number 10. The Boxer. Kicking off our list at number 10, the incredible Boxer. Don't let their playful nature fool you. These guys have explosive strength, powerful jaws, and a tenacity that makes them incredibly strong athletes. Great Dane. At number 9, the Apollo of dogs, the mighty Great Dane. While often gentle giants, their sheer height and powerful, muscular frame give them incredible raw strength. They're just huge. Alaskan Malamute. Brr. Coming in at number 8, it's the incredible Alaskan Malamute, built for heavy hauling in freezing temperatures. These dogs have immense upper body strength and unmatched endurance for pulling massive loads. Siberian Husky. At number 7, the tireless Siberian Husky. These beautiful dogs might not be the heaviest, but their athletic build, powerful legs, and incredible endurance make them fantastic long-distance pulling machines. Mastiff. Halfway there at number 6, we have the monumental Mastiff. These gentle giants are one of the heaviest breeds, and their sheer bulk, powerful head, and muscular frame make them a force of nature. German Shepherd. Breaking into the top 5, it's the versatile German Shepherd dog. Known for their intelligence, they also pack a powerful punch with a strong bite force and incredible physical strength and agility. Perfect for protection and police work. Pit Bull breeds. At number 4, we have the powerful Pit Bull breeds. Known for their incredible strength-to-weight ratio, these muscular dogs possess immense power, athleticism, and a legendary tenacious grip. Rottweiler. Taking the bronze medal at number 3, it's the formidable Rottweiler. With a bite force over 300 psi and a heavily muscled body, these powerful dogs are true heavyweights, built for work and protection. Caucasian Shepherd dog. And the runner-up, at number 2, the colossal Caucasian Shepherd dog. These massive, fearless guardians from the mountains are pure strength, size, and an intimidating presence. Built to protect against any threat. Kangal Shepherd. And finally, the champion, the undisputed strongest dog breed in the world, the Kangal Shepherd dog. With a jaw-dropping bite force and immense physical power, these Turkish guardians are built to protect livestock from wolves and bears. Pure, raw power. Wow, what an incredible lineup of powerful pups. Which dog blew your mind? Let me know your favorite strongest breed in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing animal facts from the Daily Unveil.